So you want to learn how to make a logo for your YouTube channel, huh? Let's go. Let's get into this. So today's video, how to make a logo for your YouTube channel for free. You won't need any paid software. Let me show you guys a couple of examples of some YouTube channels that I have and I had a logo for. This is an old YouTube channel that I have. It's called Flex City. So as you guys could see, this was a logo that I had for the channel. I added the logo to the banner, to the thumbnails. And here's another example. This was another channel, Net Worth Kings. See how the logo helped me brand the colors and everything, okay? So enough of that, let's get right into it. So let me show you guys exactly what to do if you want to create the logo. All right, so the first thing you do, you go to a website called logomaker.thehuff.com. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'll put the link in the description. The website is straight to the point. You don't have to create an account. You don't have to do any of that. Just click on new. It's gonna ask you if you want to erase it and start a new one. You're gonna click yes. So before you start, think of your channel. What type of channel you have. You might have a gaming channel, a blog channel, a business channel, whatever your channel is about. Think about the concept, think about the colors, think about the color you're gonna make your thumbnails, all right? Once you think about the type of channel you have, then start thinking about how you're gonna create the logo. Start thinking about what picture or what symbol that you're gonna use to create the logo. If you want your channel name to be a government name, you know, you could make your name turn into a logo also. A lot of people do that. I'm gonna make up a channel name. I'm gonna call it Edgy Flex, all right? And the first thing that you should do, look for a picture or a symbol. So you're gonna go to the left side and click on Add Symbol. You're gonna look for a symbol or a picture that represents your channel. When you scroll down, it's gonna show you all of the different symbols that you could use. Now, if you're looking at all of those symbols and then you don't like any of them, you could always go to Google, think of a picture or symbol that you like to use. For example, I could search up glasses, PNG. If you see the picture that you like, all you have to do is save it, go back to the website, and then you're gonna go down on the left side, you're gonna click on Upload Image. Okay, so once you click on Upload Image, then you click on the image that you saw on Google and you could upload it, all right? That's if you can't find a good picture or symbol. And so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to Add Symbol, look for a picture here. Let me just pick a random one. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. So I'm gonna just click on it and then boom. So once you click on the picture that you like, you could resize it, you could make it bigger, you could make it smaller. The second step would be to edit the picture, right? Change the color. If this is the brand color that you want, you leave it like that. But for me, you know I like the color red, I'm gonna change it to red. And then the cool thing that you could do, you could add things into the logo. You could add shapes, go to the left side, and then click on Add Shapes. And you could add different shapes to the logo. Like for example, like this X. If I click on it, right, I could put it inside of it. Even though I don't know why I would do that, you know, I'm just showing you guys an example. If you want to be creative, you could just add different symbols and things to it. But I'm gonna just leave it like that. So once you finish editing your picture, the next step is to just add the text. Whatever your channel name is, now you're gonna name it. Go to the left side and click on Add Text. I'm gonna name it Edgy Flex. So once you give it a name, like I said before, you could resize it, you could make it smaller. To change the font, you just select it and then go on the left side where the A is, go down, you could change the font. Now if you want to make the font pop out and you want it to look a little bit more creative, the best thing to do is to create a duplicate of it. Once you create a duplicate, and then you could change it up a little bit. I'm gonna delete Edgy and I'm gonna leave Flex, and then I'm going to delete my original Flex and bring this up here. Now watch what I do. I'm going to select it and change this font to something else. See how it pops out even more? And I'm going to change my first font. Oh, there you go. And then I'm going to match the color red with the word flex. And then voila. So I think I'm going to leave it like that. And I know you guys could make one that looks 10 times better than mine. But anyways, I'm saying this and we're not even completely finished. Once you're done, what you need to do is click on save and download. It's gonna ask for your email. So I'm gonna put my email. So once you add your email, just click save and continue. Remember, you see this right here is very important. The link, this link will allow you to edit your logo. Yeah, but anyways, just go to your email. I'm gonna go to my email. Now I'm going to look for the logo, and there we go. But once you get the logo, all you have to do is click download. Let me save it on the desktop. So yeah, so there's the logo that I downloaded. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna right click it. I'm going to extract it. So once you extract it, everything should be here. All right, here's the PNG file. And voila, here's the logo. They gave you all of the different file types here. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to comment below. And remember, you guys could also create the logo on canva.com. The reason why I didn't use Canva this time is because I'm always using Canva. So I just wanted to try a different website. I don't know if you guys are tired of me keep using Canva, but I love using canva.com. And if you want me to create a tutorial on how to create a logo on Canva, I could do that also. I hope this tutorial helped you all. Alright, stay tuned. I have video editing tips coming, some more YouTube tutorials coming up, a couple of short films, and don't forget to like this video so I could keep producing more of these type of videos. My name is Edgy, and I'm out.